Okay, just to answer a few questions for those who wanted to know exactly how this is working. This is how it works. I'm sitting in my house and I am talking to you as if you are here at a workshop in my house. And together we'll be learning 6 new relationship tools. You'll be getting 6 videos, and actually every week you'll be getting 3 different exercises to do that go along with the video, that go along with the tool of the week. And little by little, we'll be moving on. I'm here for any questions. But in general, this is you with your WhatsApp at your pace, at your privacy. And we're doing this together. Okay, so this is how it's working. See you then.